Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a very exciting thing. So creating your personalized stickers with emotions, which looks like similar like this. So this is I have taken the image of Virat Kohli and I created a styles of stickers like this. So if you want to have any idea to market your business with your own personalized stickers with the emotions, filled with the emotions, you can try this one. Or if you want to showcase your emotions over WhatsApp, Instagram, so you can use it as a stickers, generate the stickers and share it via many social platforms so that you can convey your emotions. So for that, what you need to do, very simple thing. I will show you the step-by-step process. So how you generate these stickers, the personalized stickers with the customized emotions. Okay. So what you need to do here is go to ChatGPT and I will show you the prompt. So this is the prompt, right? Take the prompt. So here the styles which you want, you can mention here. This one. The styles available are Kawaii, chibi-style, Pastel Yume Kawaii, Decora, Ghibli-inspired, Bubblegum Pop Art, soft 3D plus, pixel art, retro manga style. So like that, many other styles are there. So you can have that mention the style here, and what is the aspect ratio you want to just mention it, and what emotions you want. So that one you need to mention it here. So this is completely customized. So if you want any feelings one, you just mention that one, or what the expression is showing, like awesome, nice one, good job, brilliant, superb. So what are the stickers you want to just mention any one that. So I'm just showing as in combined one, but in practical, if you want, you can just mention any one with your choice. So take this prompt, go to the ChatGPT and paste it here. So before hit enter, so what you need to do here is you need to upload your one image. So for now I'm just taking the Virat Kohli's one. So I'm just taken his image, so I'm just uploading it here. So once it is uploaded, you just click on this arrow button, so it will start generating the image of your personalized image of Virat Kohli. So what you need to do here is instead of Virat Kohli, you just upload your own images. So your images will be created as in stickers. So this is available in the ChatGPT free version also. As it is free version, it will take time for processing the image. If you want any pro versions like for the paid version, it will take very less time to generate. Yes, here it is generated. Very cool, right? So this is resemblance of Virat Kohli one. So in that, instead of this awesome, nice one, good job, brilliant, super, good, excellent, well said, genius. So instead of this, if you want only awesome, you just have the awesome only with customized expressions. If you want, you can mention that one also. And the aspect ratio, so you can change. The styles you can change. The available other styles are like these things. I just tried now with the Kawaii, the very first one. Apart from that, you can try with any other styles. You just replace that here, then upload your image. That's good. And instead of mentioning all this one, you just mention any one with the sad or with low feelings. If you want any expressions you want to just mention here, and just run that prompt, so you will get your personalized custom stickers. So thanks for watching.